You don't love summer as much when you're fat because you're sweating all the time and it's pretty uncomfortable, and just to be outside because you're just like, your body is so hot. And I get it. So we want to tell you in this video the 4 summer habits that you should adopt, and chances are you'll keep them in the autumn when it comes around.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
The first thing you need to do if you want to lose weight fast in the summer is get sunlight and sweat in the morning.
Come to find out, the sun is not out to get you. Research shows that it actually is really, really good. But you do want to avoid it between the hours of 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. because it can be dangerous during those times. But early morning sunshine, especially, now Penelope and I have some disagreements on this. But come to find out, if you get early morning sunshine in your eyeballs without glasses or contact lenses in, it helps your cellular functioning. So you can start to reverse metabolic disease, right? So obesity leads you into metabolic diseases, degenerative diseases, diseases where your body starts to break down and it stops serving you because it's just so gosh darn tired. So you want to definitely get some sunshine in the early morning, especially. That would be one of our absolute hacks.
If you want to lose weight fast, then you want to work out in the morning before the day starts so that you get extra working out, because you don't want to only work out in the morning. You want to work out as much as you can. You want to be able to walk all day, but a lot of you guys are sedentary, don't move at all, and so just working out in the morning is going to help you guys out a lot to lose weight fast.
If you're a health enthusiast and you're trying to outrun your fork, we've tried that. Like, it actually harms you, doesn't help you. So what you want to do is you want to burn those glycogen stores. And so we believe in the power of working out with that early morning sunshine. There's like a double whammy where you're getting that early morning sunshine on your skin, produces vitamin D, helps your immune system. You're getting it in your eyes, helps your cellular health, helps to boost your metabolism. And if you can work out while you're doing it, oh my gosh, even better. Now, Penelope's like, Mom, people are on vacation. They do not want to work out in the morning. They want to sleep in. I'm here to say, like, listen, if you are staying up late and you're working out late, fine. At least you're getting sleep and exercise. But if you can, like, work things out to get to bed a little earlier, which is kind of hard to do in the summer, it's even better.
Number 3 is hydrating. You guys need to be way more hydrated. You're like dead fish almost because you're so chronically dehydrated. So you need to be a hydrated fish, hydrated dolphin, if you will. Swimming in the water because you're just so hydrated because our bodies are made up of water. So we got to give our bodies water. So make it fun. Add some electrolytes. Add some stevia or monk fruit flavoring. Make it really fun. Do iced teas. It's summer. But you got to get hydrated. And you're going to be a lot less hungry in result of being more hydrated, which is going to help you lose a lot of weight.
Come to find out, Americans are like over 70% dehydrated chronically. And I just think you're so funny, Penelope. No one's a fish or a dolphin because we're humans. We're Homo sapiens. You're funny. You're so funny. But, believe it or not, you actually need more water than you probably realize. Just shy of a gallon. Listen, everyone's not the same. Everyone's not sweating in the same amount. Everyone's not exercising the same amount. Everyone doesn't weigh the same amounts. But you do need more water than like a cup or 2. Like you definitely need. And that whole thing of 8 glasses a day, actually, there's no research behind it. Come to find out. I even wrote a little booklet on hydration. If you want it, comment down below.
All the things you can be doing. You wrote a booklet on water. I'm just like, as your business partner, I'm like, why are you writing a book all out?
Because, people are trying to negotiate.
Why are you writing cookbooks?
People are trying to negotiate about water. Why are people trying to negotiate on water?
Because you guys don't want to drink water. You want to drink Coca-Cola and you want to drink crappy stuff.
One of the biggest ways you can lose weight and reverse chronic disease today is stop drinking sugary beverages. Just stop wasting calories.
Drinking calories.
Like, you don't want to waste your money on crap. Then stop wasting your calories on crap. It's the same thing. Calories are like spending. Like, how are you going to spend? The last and final point in this video is about how abundant fruits and vegetables are in the summertime. And we think that when you eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, not only do we think, but we've shown with our own health journey and the hundreds of women that we're helping, is that you reverse chronic disease by eating phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are found in abundance in the summertime in fresh fruits and vegetables. That's why you've got zucchini and eggplant and tomatoes and peaches and nectarines and apricots and all kinds of amazing fruits and vegetables that you just simply don't have in January and February. I mean, of course, it depends on where you live. Like if you're in New Zealand, well, you still have a summer season. It's just opposite hours. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. Fruits and vegetables in abundance with high quality protein are going to get you amazing results for more energy, beautiful glowing skin, and natural weight loss to regain your health and vitality. Because you know what? I want you to feel energized. I want you to wake up feeling like we do. We feel really energized, hopeful. We feel healthy. And there's nothing that is more valuable and you certainly can't buy it, but you can create it if you just learn a few things. And that's what we're here for. So if you want to join our Women's Accountability Group, the link is in the description, but only if you're ready. Commitment is definitely a prerequisite. We love to create this content for you for free. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hey, we noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed, which means you're watching our videos, you like the content, but you haven't made the commitment. So we would love it if you would subscribe.
And if you want to join our Women's Accountability Group, don't forget to click the link in the description to join. We're only accepting amazing, awesome, and ready women. So please join if you're one of those. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.